Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another work from home job opportunity for you. This one is going to be non-phone. Of course, the links to everything I share are always in the YouTube description box below this video. The company Data Recognition Corporation, they have 379 reviews on Glassdoor with a score of 4.1 out of 5 stars. They are hiring a virtual hiring event for test scores. Now they're looking for, this is remote work from home, but they're looking for test scores either in the Eastern or Central time zones. They are paying $18 an hour. Now the way a virtual hiring event works, they have complete instructions down below in this Indeed job page, but you'll click schedule an interview, you'll fill out your information, and you'll set up an interview. Now, they are doing the interviews on March 27th, 2023 from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. So if you're interested in being a test scorer, please get those interviews scheduled. Now, one thing to note, this is a seasonal job. They are hiring temporary test scorers to help in the busy spring assessment season. They're the largest education assessment and curriculum instruction company in the world. And as we know, as the school year wraps up, you have all of your end of grade, end of year testing going on, and those tests have to be scored. So they're looking to hire people at this hiring event, and they're looking for you to literally begin soon in the end of March and into April and work through June and July. So you'll just be scoring tests based on a scoring rubric that they give you. Now, they are looking for people who do have a 4-year degree, and they say you have to have documented proof of that degree. They're going to require you, when you're scoring tests, to work a standard Monday through Friday, 8:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. daytime shift, and they're not providing any computer equipment for you. You have to have your own laptop or desktop with audio and microphone capabilities and your own internet connection. Now, if you keep scrolling down on the Indeed thing, it goes over when you hit the schedule and interview button, you'll have to put in your full home address. Be sure to write 2 to 3 paragraphs of the questionnaire when asked, and you'll have to upload proof of your degree. All right, I know this one is a little bit different, but I thought I would share since the company has such a great rating. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.